Hello, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Uh, Good afternoon, good evening, whatever part of the world you're joining us from on this stream. Nice to have you guys on this live session. So first, if you are new, I want to smash the subscribe button and click on this like, and also share this to your WhatsApp so that people can join on your WhatsApp story, so that people can join this YouTube link. Let them join. 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 And always, I want you guys to drop your application. I'm right now in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm in Fab Pips Forex Academy office in Lekki, a head office. But I want you guys to drop your location too as well. Let me know where you guys are joining me from. Where are you guys joining me from? Where are you guys joining me from? So for those that are new to my stream, it's important you know that in order for you to make the most out of this stream, you have to really be engaging. All right, be a part of the session, be engaging at the in the chat, and also if you're watching on a later date, you can check through the comments and drop what you think to in comments. So we have people from London, from Uganda, from Libya, Kenya, from Ghana, Delta, everywhere, Dubai, that's in UAE. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today's live stream. So I said today's live stream is just going to be for the unbelievers so that they can understand how exactly things have been done. People just keep wondering, how exactly do I make money? What exactly am I doing? Okay, so it's important how trading does really work over and over again, even if I keep explaining. Do you want to check the network is okay? Okay, so can you guys hear me clearly and see me clearly? Is the network clear? If the network is clear, drop number one, drop number one, drop number one. You can see me clearly the same way if I'm streaming from this point. Drop number one on the chat. Drop number one. Okay, everyone can see me clear. All right, so someone, it's very clear, very clear. Very video quality not so clear. Oh, they can't see. Okay. Is that the quality? I think we can get better quality. I don't want to stream without. Okay, so first off, I don't want to stream without having a nice quality. All right. But I'm seeing a trading opportunity. You know, trading opportunity doesn't wait for nobody, regardless of the qualities, guys. Let's just take one trade real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. One trade. I'm seeing a very nice trade opportunity right now that we can quickly. You know, markets are really slow. Obviously, it's the time of is the season, it's the time of the month. I mean, it's time of the year. I'm seeing a quick buy on gold. We can quickly scalp this right now, make some quick buck, and then I can get to explain to you guys how trading does really work. I don't want us to miss out on this opportunity. So go ahead right now and buy gold. We're going to quickly scalp it and grab at least 1 to 2 to 1, and we call it a day on this one. All right. So this is just going to be the only trade I'm going to be calling. So right now, the same way I'm grabbing my phone, also grab yours and execute on gold. Just one position, by the way. Not something too much, just 1 or 2 positions you get in and then you let it be. All right. Stop loss is 4399.63. Stop loss 4399.63. That's your stop. Then leave the take profit open. Since we are going to be trading here live together, I'm going to let you know when you can take your profit. All right. So in case you are new, all right, we also do have a Telegram channel which is free. We currently have about 233,000 people right now on that Telegram, where I share one free trade of my live trade that I trade every day to you. So you can be a part of that. I'm going to share you the link right now that you can use to join if you want to join. Be a part of us. All right. It's free. Be in there and then get to catch some movement with us. Is it clear? Oh, it's clear. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, in order for you to be a part of that Telegram channel, just say Jeffrey of Fire Peeps. Fire Peeps signals. So you can use this link to go be a part of that right now. Right now. Use this link to join that Telegram right now, and then you can get to copy my trades every day I'm trading. All right. So now let's talk about the lion in the room. I see so many people congratulating me on the new car. Thank you so much, first off, regarding that. Right. First, I don't just want to make it look like it's a normal thing. It's not normal. So drop that W in the chat for me. W's in the chat. W. Drop the W in the chat for me, first off. W's in the chat. All right, drop W in the chat, W in the chat, W in the chat. Yeah, W's. Nice. Thank you so much, guys. I do really appreciate you guys celebrating with me. And as much as I also celebrate with you guys, I mean, I've been the one celebrating my students. Anytime they buy a car, they come, I celebrate with them, celebrating with them. So it's also important that now that I'm also doing mine, I always love to make sure that, yeah, I'm also doing what I'm preaching, and you guys also see what I'm doing, and they also following up. That's how life is. Everyone is winning. Everyone is winning. I'm winning. You're winning. Everyone is winning. All right. That's what does really matter. Winning. I mean, what's the essence of this life if we're not winning together? Why are we following each other? Why are you following me in the first place? I have to leave here right now to go look for a better network outside. All right. That's one thing. And whenever I come to this side, the network is always not so good. So hang on a bit. Keep sharing this live stream to other people. Let them join. Let them join. I want to go look for network. Let's go. Go search. In search of good network. Get the water and everything. Yeah. I just want to go join. Not downstairs. Let me join in the car. The network. Huh? It's connected already. I just try to get. So can you guys hear me now? If you can hear me, drop number. Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? They can hear me, right? So let's move out of this place because the network is not so good. All right. So don't worry. I'm just gonna get good network right now. Check. Is it cool? All right. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to get a really nice network so that we can be able to have uninterrupted live stream. So guys, so for those who are really asking, what exactly, what can I do to achieve that type of result that Jeff is having? It's all about scaling, learning the right things, and then you get to scale with time. All right, it's all about scaling, learning the right things, and then you get to scale in time. So the network is cool right now, right? Okay, so let me just park here and do my stuff. Let me park here, do my stuff, because this cyber truck draws a lot of attention in this place. All right, so now I what is that? Okay, the network is clean. All right, so relax, 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 relax. So now, am I obstructing someone? Oh no, I'm not. So yeah, there's security everywhere. There's security here. So good. One of the things that I want you guys to learn from trading is that trading is a highly scalable business. It's a business that you can easily scale. So hence, what is now very crucial and very important in trading is learning how to trade. Do you really know how to trade? That's not the very big question in the room, the lion in the room. And if you do really know how to trade, what exactly are you doing to scale? So, for example, unlike someone that has a business that maybe they sell, it's a maybe it's what can I use now? What can I maybe they sell cars. In order for you to really scale in the international phase, is for you to open more car lots, all right? Or maybe go online and teach people how to sell cars, or maybe go online and help people with the pre-ordering, give them an international option where they can source cars from different countries of their choice, and different model and then different spec, right? But with trading, it's not like that. For some, it's the scaling is faster and easier. For someone who was trading $1,000 before, a day prior, and then get an investor in the next couple of months, can get access to maybe $100,000. From 1,000 shift to 100,000. All you just need to change is the mindset. So where usually you see a loss of, maybe you're seeing a drawdown on $1,000, maybe you're seeing $100 drawdown. Now be prepared to even see $1,000 drawdown at some point. So that's why the mindset needs to shift. So the more the risk you take, so you were taking smaller risk on the small account, but now in the bigger account, you're taking bigger risks. But the percentage is still about the same thing. But then the money equivalent is different. So that's why you hear the word no risk, no rally. Does that make sense? So the bigger risk you take means the bigger things you're going to be achieving. All right? The bigger risk you take, the bigger things you're going to be achieving. Now, this is not motivation for you to all just go and start taking crazy risks. No, don't take crazy risks. All right? I'm also not saying you shouldn't take risks. Make sure you take calculated risk. What is the bigger risk? The bigger risk is the bigger risk is not knowing what you are even doing, not knowing what you are risking. That's where they are bigger risk. All right. So guys, you always have to know that whatever you do, have a very calculated one, and make sure that you are very well educated about what you are doing before you even do them. All right. Thank you so much. So now let's talk about other things. Let me look for other pairs that I can analyze and see what exactly is even going on that pair on the gold one that I shared a while. So on the gold right now, you see we're on a drawdown, which is normal. We're on drawdown right now on that gold pair. So let's just keep watching and then let's check other pairs. So let's check GBP On GBP good. We are seeing a sharp decline after market has also tested this point. So I was doing my analysis this morning and I posted that video on Telegram. You guys saw the video. And several people reacted and like, oh, what are you looking for again? When you've already made money, you already buy. What people don't know is that uh Forex money comes, you don't want to stop. All right. You don't want to stop. Even when it comes, you don't want to stop. You want to just keep going. Ta, 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 ta. That's what you want to keep doing. You don't want to stop. All right. It's important you know that. Then on GBP there's nothing really going on there. GBP what is going on? I see no real clear movement because it's a bit slow this time. It's slow. I don't want slow movement, so let me skip. There was a pair that was seeing an opportunity before I came on live here, which was CHF-JPY. I'm seeing a bullish opportunity on this pair. Seeing a bullish opportunity. So price broker here. Seeing a really nice bull run right here, right now. I've been looking at this pair. The only problem I had with this was it just became all of a sudden it started being choppy. That's the only problem I have with this pair. All right. So the best thing is maybe you can risk about 43 pips on this one, and then you get a put stop loss about twice as much on this one. But I am not going to be trading this one because I only want volatile pair this time around. That's why I'm trading just gold. So, but this is a very fantastic one. So let me just call out this trade for those that want to be taking more trades, and maybe you have more chance to take more risk on your account. All right, 197.954. Thank you. This is your stop loss. This is your stop, and then your take profit is twice as much. 199.28 TP. 286. All right. So I'm also going to share this trade too on the Telegram channel. So that's why you have to join the Telegram channel. That's where I share all my trades, right? On this Telegram, I'm going to drop in CHFJPY to buy. Stop loss is 197.954. Take profit to 199.286. Boom. So we've got 2 trades sent so far. We've sent 2 trades on Telegram. All right. So that's why it's important to share this Telegram with your people, everybody that you care about. Let them learn Forex 2026. So here's one thing I want you guys to know. It's really very important. You guys understand. 2025 was for learning. 2025, the year 2025 was strictly for learning. In 2026, we're about to remove that L and end really big. All I want to see from you guys, my students, in 2026 is just results. Before you even tell me, Jeff, good morning, I want you to see, I just want to see results in your skin, the way you talk, your car, your investments, your thinking process, everything regarding you, result. That's all I just want to see in 2026. I mean, we're done with the learning 2025 because all through 2025, I mean, let me show you guys something real quick. All through 2025, I can show you my YouTube. I only missed one day, and that day was the day that I went on. I was traveling, all right, and then William stood in for us on this live session. So you can see the live session. You can see there is no day that we missed no live here on Monday. We are learning. We are making money. Sometimes we take a loss and then we get to learn what exactly we did wrongly. You can see here. See, can you see? This is 2 months. This is today. The one that's currently ongoing right now on live stream. All right, this is last week's on 14K view, 13K view, 9.4. Like, you keep going. This one is 31K. We kept going. Can you see? Not the miss, bro. So we learned all through 2025. 2024, we did too as well. So 2026, you're about to remove that L from the learning. We're about to end real big. And I want you guys to show me just results. I mean, if I demand for this result, I think, yeah, I've worked and I demand results from you guys. So quit saying, oh, I don't have enough money. That's why I'm where I'm currently at. Start with whatsoever you have, with that $100, with $10, with $50. Grow it with no greed in your eyes. Instead, grow with what you have learned, with the consistency you've been taught, with everything you've been taught. Put those things into mind and grow it slowly. I just want results. I want to see that you're able to make $2 on your $10. At least it's result, it's progress. I want to see that in your $50, you're able to make $20. at the end of the month. I want to see that in your $1,000, you're able to make $100, $200. Now, with some closed mind, will be like, okay, how long will I buy Ferrari with $10? Come on. I told you a while ago that Forex is a highly scalable business. With the more you can do these little things on this your small account, now how much more will you be able to do when you get to a really big account? You have to be able to learn to build really good track record. That's when investors can trust you. All right. So I'm going to be dropping a video by this weekend. That's going to be wrapped. That's my trading wrap for year 2025. How I traded from January to December. You guys are going to be seeing this, everything. And I shared something a while ago. It was my 6-month performance. Where's the other phone? Yeah, my 6-month performance, right? I shared my track record for 6 months. So let me show you guys just a snippet right here on the screen. Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen, just drop number 2. Drop number 2 on the chat. If you can see my screen, drop number 2. Drop number 2. I want number 2 if you guys can see. If you guys can see, drop number 2. Okay, you guys can see my screen? Okay, good. They all can see my screen now, right? Good. So pay attention. I want to generate trade report. All these things you see on this account, I'm making a video regarding that. All the account I've traded everything, I'm breaking everything down so you guys can see. So this is more than 6 months. People always say, Jeff, show me your track record, right? I've been around here, be training life. I see if that's not enough for you. I'm about to take it even a step further, right? I'm going to show you my track record. You're going to see the pairs that I trade most, my exposure. All right? You're going to see my wins. You're going to see my consecutive wins, my net loss, my net profit, everything. You're going to see everything, right? You're going to see my profit and loss. You're going to see the days that was lucky, the days that was pure trading genius, the days that I made a really good killer, the most amount of money I made, max consecutive wins, max consecutive losses, everything, my highest winning streaks, my highest losing streaks. You're going to see everything in that video. So the only reason why I'm doing that is not, I don't reply critics. No, that's not why I'm doing it. It's so that you guys can also learn and see, okay, this is what Jeff has been doing, right? And then follow suit. Anything I do is for inspiration, motivation only. Just inspire my people. All right. I don't answer. I don't have no response to critics. I don't do that. I don't do banter. You know me. I don't reply people. All right. But I'm only doing this so that you guys can know. So what I want you to do on your $100 account, do exact same way with this one. On your $200, you build it slowly. Remember, I didn't buy Ferrari in my first year of trading. Not even in my second year. Not even in my 5th year. Not in my 6th year. Not in my 7th year. But some of you want to compare your 1 year to my own 10 years. You see, that's where there's problem. Some of you, Zolojuko Kuroda will kill you. Because you have too much, you have big ambitions, and then you are comparing that with someone that started way back. Just imagine for example, let's say I start music today and I start comparing myself to Wizkid. How? Does that even make sense? That guy has been around for a very long time and he's pretty good. He's so good. And big shout out to Wiz. I love him a lot. You guys know. Big shout out to Davido. I love him a lot too. But these guys have been around for a very long time. Big shout out to Bonner. I love him a lot too. He's been around. So you don't compare you're just starting about a year or 6 months. You're comparing yourself to people that have been around for a very long time. That's wrong. All right. So guys, you can win your own small ways. Do not compare you starting now with the bigger ones, right? Wait for your time. Your time will definitely come. As you are doing yours, keep giving people the W's that they deserve. Keep wins, W's in the chat. Just keep celebrating with them while you keep coming up on your own, all right? So guys, I'm happy that you guys are gaining value from today's live stream. I can see that from the chat. You guys are dropping, and I'm happy about that. All right, so let's touch on more analysis. Now, this is the time I want you guys to show me the pair you want me to analyze for you. I know some of you might be stuck in a particular trade right now. You don't know what to do in that trade. So show me that pair. Let me analyze it for you so you get to know whether you're cooked or you're in the right side of things. Let's do the analysis together. So drop me your pair recommendation you want me to check out. So big shout out to Gloob Sian. He just joined our community right here. And South TFXM. big shout out to you for joining the community too as well. All right. If you've got any questions, usually people that join that are people that have got questions. If you've got any questions, just do let us know. All right. Okay. AUDJPY. Someone said AUDJPY. Someone said XAUSD. I've already talked about XAUSD. AUDJPY. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna go check out AUDJPY right now. Also EuroJPY too as well. All right, I'll go check those out. Okay, let's go. Pay attention. For AUDJPY, I'm seeing a very clear uptrend on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's check what is happening on 1 hour time. On 1 hour time frame, I'm also seeing a current trend to be a bullish trend. All right, on 4 hour time frame, I'm also seeing a very strong up move. So in order to simplify this, what am I expected to do? You would ask. If you would ask me that question, cool. I've got the right answers for you. What you're expected to do right now is to wait for price to maybe retest about the same low, and you can get in again. So that will mean that the first bounce, second bounce, the third bounce should take you straight up again as well. All right, so that's what I'm looking at for on the AUDJPY. So on the EuroJPY, Euro Yen, I'm seeing a very clean up move too as well on this Euro Yen. All right, it's also very good for the buy. Also very good for the buy at this point. What did I see exactly? I saw first price tapping up off at this point. That's not like the base for it. And then this is also a recent high that was tested too as well. And we are currently seeing that it's being broken. So on EuroJPY, if you're on a buy, you're on the right side. So keep holding your buy trades. So I would say give it enough breathing stop loss, which is 27 pips, is very decent. And you target twice as much in your take profit. So if you are risking 27, you must make sure that your risk to reward here shows 2 all the time. See, I never send a trade without doing that. I never send a trade to make sure that at least 1 to 2 risk to you on. All right. So this is a very good for entry for those who want to get in. So your stop loss will mean that your stop loss is 184.463. Do that right now. Okay, great. For those who are looking for brokers that you want to trade with, the broker that I'm currently signed with, I'm with, you have to use my referral code so that they know that you came from me, is SX Markets. All right, SX Markets. So I'm just going to drop the link right now. Then you can use that to sign up if you're new, or maybe you're not really satisfied with your brokerage and everything. So use this broker right now. And make sure you use this link right now to sign up. So if you use this link to sign up, another benefit that comes is that any support you need, you get to be attended to faster, because you have to reach out to me on Telegram. If you have any problem at any point, reach out to us on Telegram. We'll be able to. We have an account manager that is assigned to people. We usually brokers do that so that they can attend to you real quick. All right. So that is the link right there. All right. And also, alternatively, you could also just scan this barcode right now. Just change this barcode, scan this barcode if need be. Okay. Now that we've put all these things in motion, let's talk about risks. What will also determine whether you're going to stay long in this market is the amount of risk you put on your account. Some of you, the things you have to quit doing next year, 2026, is to not over leverage your account. And I know no matter how I say it, some of you will still not listen. So, but here is a way to actually always discipline yourself, to always listen, or to always obey this rule of risk. Create a sanction system, things that will punish you whenever you break your trading rules, whenever you break your trading plan, whenever you break your risk plan. So, for example, there are things you usually would like to do every time, every day. All right. So you have to say, okay, I'm not going to do, or maybe it might be like an outing in the evening with your couple of friends that you always love to hang out with. So I'm not going to go out with my friends because I broke my trading rule. Set of rules to keep you in line. All right. So usually you go to some cities, right? There are no traffic rules. Like whenever it's a red sign, they run over stop signs. They don't even care if it is green, they still keep going anyone. But these same people, whenever they go to some certain cities, big cities like in Europe or in America or in Dubai, in UAE, they respect these lights. Why? In those other countries, there are strict sanctions. There's no such thing as I'm a very indisciplined person. It's just that you don't have real sanctions. And the more you start having sanctions, like what happens in Dubai when you run over street, like you already, it's almost like you've committed like a felony. You get paid tickets, and in Europe you get after apart from the tickets you get to be deducted with some points if there are some grievous offenses that you do, some traffic offenses, you understand. So with that, next time whenever you see the amber light from a distance, you're already stopping. So that's the same way, the same tactics and tricks you need in your trading. So I'm giving you tricks that you need to apply so that you can get the optimum result, to get the quality type of result that you want, to be able to achieve anything you want, to achieve your dream location, your dream car, your dream house. These are the top secrets I'm giving to you now. So make sure you create a good sanction system for your trading and build a very good routine regarding your trading. All right. If you're waking up at 6 o'clock, wake up at 6 o'clock and hit your trading station. If you're waking up at 7 o'clock, wake up at 7 and hit your trading station. If it is 11, if it is 10, whatsoever time, like you know that it's your best, depending on your time zone, hit the trading station. Keep at it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. All right. So that's one top thing. And if it is 0.01 you're using in your account for a long time, be consistent with it. Except until you grow twice as much, and then you can change your lot size. All right. Just be very consistent with whatever thing you're doing. In the long run, that's what's definitely going to pay you off. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So let's take a look at the trade that we're currently in on. So I've called out about 3 trades, and we are only just in one. I've called out Euro JPY. I also did call out CHF JPY, and I called out gold. So let's take a look at CHF JPY before I go to that of gold. CHF JPY, if you get in right now, you should be in a really good profit. That's if you get in at this bottom. But if you get in at the time I caught it, you should be at break even or a tiny piece amount. Oh yeah, you should be in small profit, slight profit right there. So your stop loss is going to be 41 pips stop loss, and then your take profit should be about 90 pips take profit. So you always have to be 1 to 2. All right. So let's address gold. So for gold, yeah, market's already returning back. But if you can get in another position now, you're going to make the most money out of this. If you can add one more position at this point again, maybe to make it 2 position, 2 entry, you're going to be the one to make the most out of this opportunity. This is a fantastic opportunity that I know that will definitely do well. It's going to make us money before we leave this live stream. All right. So, so for gold, we are seeing it's going to do well. But right now it's in a drawdown, but it's definitely going to do well. So let's take a look at someone said BTC. I saw someone asking me to check BTC in the chat. So let me check this BTC for you. BTC did us dirty a couple of weeks back with his slash down. I mean, it went as low as $80,000, all the way from $120,000 mark, went to $80,000. I started feeling for those that are holding large quantity of BTC at the point. But then I remember, no fear, no panics, nothing. It's just a normal trend with BTC. If you guys remember, every December we always have like a dip, usual dip that happens in the forex market. So it's not new. It's something that is normal. So and BTC will always come back. One thing I always remember that BTC does is it always have its way of coming back. It always recover. So if you're holding for a long time, just keep holding. Just do not liquidate too early. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. So on 15 minutes time frame, what apart from the long term, what should we do right now? BTC is on a strong bull run. So do not get in right now just yet. Always wait for price to retest at a certain level before you get in. So now what level would I advise you to wait for you to wait for this price to dip to about 89 mark, $89,000 mark for you to swing again. That's if it happens. But if it doesn't happen, if you see that it's a very strong bull run, then you can now consider this tiny retracement here. This tiny retracement. All right. You can consider these, all right, to move up. So good stuff. Congratulations to those that really bought at this early, that reached out. Congrats. So this is from Usman Mathi. He said, I just made 1,500 BTC today. That's $1,505 on BTC today. Just close this trade using your strategy. You're welcome. So this is a strategy that I teach inside the mentorship. In case you want to be a part of that, you want to really learn this year, scan this barcode. I change it again. So the mentorship is just starting with $75. If you want to be a part of that, I mean, just for those who really want to learn how I do really trade. All right. Whatever I teach there are my own personal trading style. What has worked for me over the years and should also work for you. All right. Uh, what is the app you use to track your portfolio? Not an app. The one I just did now for you was MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is a new release. With the new release, have a really nice feature that can help you to generate. Like you tap on this tiny on your history bar, tap on it, click on create a trade report. You'll be able to keep track of. You'll be able to generate this thing I just did right now. Go do that. I mean, you can do that. Post it and tag me. Post it on your story and tag me. Let's see what you guys have got. You've been taking my trades every Mondays, all right? I know you've been taking it religiously the same way I've been taking it. Post it on your story on Instagram and tag me. Let me see. I'm going to be posting at least three. Whether it's a good one or it's a bad one, I'm just going to be posting it. I just want to post it so that I see people's results over this year. Because I know I never missed no live trading session except that day that I was traveling. So I also want to see what you guys came up with at the end of the year. All right, that's what I want to do. So take a screenshot on your MetaTrader 5 and post it. Let me see. I'm going to be posting 3. So watch out on my Instagram for that. In case you're wondering, that's on Jeff Forex _. That's my Instagram, Jeff Forex _. But are you the one teaching in person for the online mentorship? Yes, I'm teaching in person. I'm going to be live the same way I'm live with you guys now, live trading with you guys now. Tomorrow, I'm also going to be live trading with the paid mentees. So every Wednesdays, I always go. Every Tuesdays, I go live to trade with all my students online. Okay, fantastic question. It says, Jeff, which is a must, consistency or risk management? What if we have both in a room? But since it's a question, I must pick one. I'll pick risk management. But I don't think these two are even negotiable. But then I'll say risk management, because if you manage your risk well, you're consistent with that, you also will still achieve consistency. That's what I mean. If you say consistency, what are you consistent with? So that's why I won't choose consistency. So risk management is really very, very crucial. It's crucial. What about MT4? And I'm not sure if MT4 does that again. If MT4 can do that. If MT4 can do that tracking for us. So if you don't have money to pay for class, it's fine. You can watch on my YouTube here. I have loads of lessons that can really skyrocket your trading. I mean, I put a lot of effort in, like, see, even these live classes, if you take them really seriously, you should really achieve a lot. So you can come on my videos, focus on the educational focused one, the educational content, like the beginners one and all this stuff. Trust me, you're gonna make a lot of nice trading decision. Like this one, follow this one, real good. It's about an hour. It's a full trading crash course. So if you're on this live stream, you don't know how trading works, you are lost. You don't even know what I'm talking about. This is the video for you. After now, go watch this video from beginning to the end. Mhm. Correct. This video is going to break everything down for you, to teach you from what is forex trading to how to place your first trade and how to profit off of that. All right, and how to also manage your losses in any point in time. All right. So let's take a look at. I have one more pair in mind now. That should be. It's been a while. We checked on this pair, USD JPY. So USD JPY, it's an uptrending pair, just like USD CHF. They always trend one direction most of the time. They just trend. So now there's not really much opportunity, so I'll just let it go. Let's check the counterpart, which is USD CAD. that I have on my watch list. When I check my trading, my track record, one of the insane money I made per time was not in any of these pair, was actually on gold. On gold, and followed by GJ, followed by CHFJPY, I think. Yeah, in that statistics. I'm gonna be dropping my trading wraps. So guys, anticipate that video. Maybe this weekend. Yeah, anticipate that video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments too as well. Anticipate. Anticipate it. All right. What trade am I on now? I'm only on GBP. I mean, sorry, XAUSD trade. That's the only trade I'm on now. XAUSD trade. The buy that I called. So right now we are still on the drawdown on the gold. So guys, do not get panic or anything. I mean, we've come a long way. I've thought about this too much for you to be panicking. And just know that it's just a drawdown. Put it right here. Market definitely come. Even I'm unable to finish this on this live stream because the time is about to elapse on this live stream. I'll also follow you up in a group chat. So that's why it's important to be a part of that group chat where I get to inform you guys about my next trading decisions regarding gold, GJ, all these other trading opportunities that I give. So I'll also let you know when to close in that group if we're unable to close out right here. All right. I just tried to get a trade history, but my MT5 is not showing. Then you have to do an update. Go to your app store and go update it. Every MT5 has that feature. Can I do trading alongside 95? Yes, you can. You can. There are so many people that are doing that already. You can. What is my TP for gold? Someone is asking. My TP is twice as much. TP is here. 4439.34. But don't put TP because I'm here with you. I will let you know when you to close. That's what I said a while ago. But if you want to still put it, let me just write it out just for those, just to fulfill all this righteousness. Trader will fly up soon. You're talking about TP. Just soon. Just relax. All right. Let's go on with the Q&As. Oh, sorry. That's an answer I wrote there. Sorry. Correction made. Correction, it's a TP, not Excel. This is TP, not Excel. Done. Oh, he said that feature only works on iPhone, not Android users. Um, all right, so this Matthew is making us know that it only works on iPhone, not Android. But I know Android should also have a way to do that. All right, but I'm not sure. I've not tried it on Android too. That's why. Okay, so I can see loads of questions. I'm trying to like read some, but before I read it, it's already gone out. So it's really a lot. I mean, and one thing I want you guys to do by 2026 again, I just remember, do less of demo. Fund, go live. Do not waste your time too much on demo. Fund and go live. All right, that's when you can actually really test the true essence of trading, which is your discipline, your mindset control, and everything. So, because some of you have a wrong notion regarding trading because you are doing well on your demo. Because you do well on your demo doesn't mean you're going to do well on your live account. So, no matter how small it is, that's why it's important you also go live. Your live account maybe with $10. Someone with a $10 is live account is better than someone who is in with $1 million demo. All right, I say it again. If you are with your $10 account and your life account, you're way better with someone with a $1 million demo. Obviously, you know that, but some of you don't seem to know. You are very wealthy in your demo, but your life account is something else. So you have to make sure you go live, test out your knowledge, trading knowledge, and also try the emotions. How do you feel when you make profit? Do you feel too excited? And does that affect your next trading decision? How do you feel when you make actual losses? Does that make you feel bad? Or does it make you learn more? So you have to make sure you keep doing these things over and over and over and over and over and again. Keep testing it. All right. I hope that makes sense. So my mind and my heart is still on gold. I'm still watching. This market is coming up real good. So it's gonna shoot up and take us right in profits pretty soon. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Because you're about to drop another W's in the chat again for me. You're about to drop another W's in the chat. Because you are winning this trade. Ah, I know some of you just get panic a lot because trades are not going your way. You feel emotional. You feel bad. I mean, some of the time, the reason why some of you so much worry a lot about losing trades is because you are over leveraging the same in the first place. You've got no discipline. You just put big lot size because you want to make big amount of money at a time. It doesn't work that way. You grow it little by little, little by little. You have to understand that, right? He that is faithful in little be entrusted with even much more. And the more that you are giving, more is expected from you. That's how life works, right? So that's how life just works. What pair do you recommend for newbie? Every other pair, it depends. Just take one pair and really study it. It can be gold and everything. Usually, I don't recommend gold for newbie because it's too volatile. It's too volatile. It can make them to lose their money really early. It can make them to lose their money really early. So I do not really recommend it. Someone just asked me, have I ever blown an account? Yes, lots of account. Then if you've not blown an account, then you're not. Have you ever truly traded? Yes. No risk, no rally. Thank God, those blown account has finally paid off. Finally paid off, guys. So, guys, make sure you're locked in with me anytime. Like drop trade, make sure you go in there, take those trade it up, make profit, withdraw, or enter Polanco, go remove one Benz. Anything you want to do it. Just be excited, man. Just be excited. Just be excited. I mean, you have to really go check yourself and be sure that you are really crushing it this year. You are really crushing it this year. You understand? You have to go check yourself. Yeah, you're crushing it this year. And if you're not, where are you getting it wrongly? 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 It's really, really important. Great Mega, how are you? How are you? I see you texting me on Insta. Shoot me a message again. Trading is recommended as long as you can handle the emotions that come with it. Yes, it's recommended for you. Someone said in profit on gold. Congratulations. Congratulations. I just definitely know that gold will do well. Gold will do well. Put your money on gold, it will do well. Invest. Gold will do well. It's a massive profit on gold. Okay, good. What's the best leverage as a newbie who decide to use small capital like $10 to $100 instead of a demo? Good. Use 1 to 1,000 because your money is small, so you need bigger leverage. All right. For a small account, use bigger leverage. For a big account, use smaller leverage. All right, great Mega. I'll check you out. I'll check you out. I'll check you out right now. Wow, I just got my new GLE 63. All thanks to Fire Pips. Congratulations, Martin, winner one. Congrats, 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 congrats. W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. 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 W's in the chat again. Keep spamming me that W's. W's in the chat. I love this one. I love these testimonials. Congratulations on your Benz GLE 63. It's not the conventional one, and it's got by trading money. All right. So now we're in profit. Can you see now? We're in loss before, but now we're back up in profit. All right. On gold, I just gave. I called the signal a while ago. Someone said it's gonna fucking sell. I saw somebody commenting funny thing. Can you see? We're in profit. So, but that's not what I'm celebrating right now. I'm celebrating Martin, who just got a GLE 63 and saying all thanks to Fire Peep Signals. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. All right. Congratulations. W's in the chat. Okay. You guys are also dropping W's. Don't worry. We're going to celebrate you together soon, 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 soon. Soon. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Can you imagine? He said, I just got my iPhone 11 Pro from your Signal boss. Congratulations, TGFX. Congrats for those. So now, some other people are saying that my student, okay, so there was on TikTok people, I saw someone was saying that I'm the only one buying car, right? I'm currently at the office. Can you guys see that I'm at the office? How about my student? This is our office, right? That's Fire Peep's office. You guys can see at that top. That's my office. Some of my students, these are their cars. Some of them have gone home. Yeah, well done. Can you see out there? That's their cars. Can you see? These are Lexus RX. Some have gone. Today's certificate. We are awarding them certificates. Can you see them? These are their cars. I mean, this is just Island branch. Go to the mainland. Go to Kano branch. Go to Asaba branch. Always W's in the chat. W's in the chat for everyone at Fire Peep. So you think Forex trading is not working and they play. Oh, they play. See, 2026 full force, guy. No compromising. Don't go in small. If you think that 2026 you want to go in with, you want to try, let's see, or you want to go in with just die now in 2025 because 2026 full force. If you want to go in, let's go in small. Just follow this 2025 go now because you think you have seen something. 2026 is gonna believe because just only results. Only result. 2025 is meet me, say you're my student. I'm like, where's your result? Where's your result? That's the next question I'm going to be asking you. Yes, sir. To introduce yourself, show me results first before you even introduce yourself, before you even say hello. This is my result, and then this is my result, and then you can start discussion. All right, that's what I'm talking about. I want to cruise in your Ferrari. I tested on IG because okay, I'm getting mine soon. Okay. As you come with your result to results. That's what I want to see. Result. Just results. All right, so I'm happy that you guys are already in profit. Now that you're in profit, I think I can now end this live stream. Where I'm up 32,000. You should be in profit. How much profit are you in on, guys? How much are you in on? I'm right now in my cyber truck making this amount of money. How much are you in on? How much are you in on? How much are you on? How much are you on? How much are you on? How much? $30. Good. $12 is better than someone who's trading demo. Oh, Jadev Joshi. This is my student. I remember him, my student from India or Bangla. I remember him so clearly. Congratulations. You made 469 today. Congrats. $253. 25 pound, $3, 14K naira. Okay, which is good. $34, $30, $5, 11, $1, $50. Do not laugh. You drop your money and don't laugh, man. Just drop how much you're making. $500, $167, $4, 3K, $8, $4, $40, $200. Can you see that? Can you see that? I'm not just the only one. Everyone is making 30K. 30K. This one want to follow Mentor the Drago. They make 30K. Ha! But nice. I love that. Challenge me. I love challenge. Bring it on, bro. Bring it on. Bring it on. I can't wait for the time that I'll be posting. I'm posting my 30K. Another person is posting 300K. I can't just wait. We need to shut these unbelievers up, man. $29. Can you see the money? Can you see the money? So now you can close if you guys want. You can close. But me, I'm still holding. I want to do at least my risk to reward matters to me. You can close if you want, because someone is asking me, should we close? Why are you closing when everything is still going fine? We're just getting started. Let me show you the chart, and let me show you. So let me build your confidence. Do not close. Let me build your confidence, right? So we're just getting in. How many pips? Just tiny pips. You are wanting to close when our reward is still here, our TP. So just keep holding. Get to at least half, or whenever you break even, that's when you can look to maybe even take your profit. So soon we're going to be tightening stop. So being in that Telegram channel, that's where I'm going to be giving you more of this information as to what to do. All right. So W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. All right. I make money. I'm happy to make money. And I buy car. Also happy to buy car. I'm happy to do everything. Basically, we do things together, and I'm excited about that. I'm excited about that. This is for free. No money. You see, I'm doing it for free. All right. So it's not just about. So when people say, Jeff, why are you selling? Because also, what about the free that he has done? Have you participated? Some of these people that they criticize everything. They don't even this free one. We only just have about 1,300 people live now. But whenever I post my Ferrari, you see tens of millions of people saying, why this, why that? But they are not here to participate in the free stuff now. They're not even here. See, some of you guys are making money. They're not even here to even at least come and even warm the bench, help the numbers. They're not here. So that shows that people would always complain. Like, losers always complain. That's why they're in the losing seats. All right? So it's important you just keep bagging it. Decide to show them what you want to show them if you may. If you decide to. I mean, you are the king. Rule your world, do whatever exactly you want. All right? Let nobody tell you how to spend your money. Let nobody tell you how when you make your money. All right? It's really important. Take it easy, guys, and keep winning. See you guys at the top. Just only at the top. I love you guys. Drop if you gain value in this class today, gain value and gain money. Drop value. Write value in the chat box for me. Write value. All I want to see is just value right now. Value, because we are going to keep making more money. Yeah, we're going to keep making more money. Value, just drop value. I didn't close. Because I didn't close, you can see my money is really increasing. Just drop value. All I want to see value, value, value. If you gain value and you get money too today, lovely value, value. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. I love you all. This guy said I came late. Next time, don't do that again. Next time, come with full speed. Come with full speed. All right, take it easy, guys, and peace out. 100K already clocked in profit live with you guys. All right, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out. I'll see you guys way at the top. See the money's racking up right there. Another rally loading. All right, guys, take it easy. Peace, 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 peace.